All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor fence. This could be used for indoor or outdoor, but I'm gonna tell you what's included. You get all the pieces together in here. Look at this guy, he knows about it. Gloves and all the tools necessary to put this together, including some stakes, because you could put this outdoors or indoors. The stakes are very strong, keeps everything sturdy. If you want to keep your dog away from your garden, we have a lot of flowers that this guy likes to get into. Keep them away from it. Want to keep an area, maybe isolate the area, you can do that with this. You could have a full circle, you could set up a section and so forth. So we are going to do a full circle so you can see how much you get of the fence and how it looks. All right, let me show you the finished product right now. Of course, they come in different sizes, if you guys can see. Now, these stakes are great for any kind of surface that you have that's ground, like dirt or sand or grass. All right, so you basically just have to push them down and they stick to the ground. This thing is very sturdy once you set it up. It's made perfect for smaller dogs, or if you train your dog to stay in one area, you can. So for example, this lifts up, open it up, and you call your dog, Toby, come here. Sit. Toby, this is Toby. We're gonna keep him in here, close out, stay. Good boy. Right, the great thing about these things, if you ever worry about your dog going underneath of it, they come with these right here. If you guys can see, they grab onto the actual corners of the actual system. You see that? They go down in here. You have these stakes here, and then you just stake them down to the ground too. If you use a hammer if you want, or your feet, and that's pretty much not going to lift the whole thing up. It stays fixed on the actual fence itself, so you don't have to worry about the dogs ever picking up the fence itself and taking the whole thing off. So you have double stakes. You have this stake, and then you have the ground stakes too. Open the door. Come on out. Come out. Come out. Come on, Toby. Out. Move, 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 move. Come on, Toby. Come on. Come on, Toby. Now, if you want to keep another dog in there, come on, Crypto, get in. Good boy. Look at this. Large enough for 2 dogs.